In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add picture in a shape in Adobe Express. If you want to make your design look more polished or creative. Placing an image inside a shape is a really simple effect that can make a big difference. This is especially useful in multi-page projects where you want your visuals to feel more consistent and styled across different pages. To get started, open your multi-page project in Adobe Express. Once your project is on screen, go to the page where the image is placed, or where you want to work with that image. Make sure you can clearly see the canvas so it's easier to adjust everything as you go. Next, select the image you want to place inside a shape. Just click directly on the picture so Adobe Express knows that's the element you want to edit. This is important because the shape crop options will only appear when the image itself is selected. After that, move your attention to the top toolbar and find the crop option. Click on it and then look over to the crop panel on the left side. In that panel, you'll see a variety of shape options that you can use for your image. These shapes let you quickly turn a regular rectangular photo into something more visually interesting, like a circle or another preset shape. Choose the shape that best fits your design. Once you've selected your shape, you can fine-tune how the image appears inside it. Adjust the shape crop so the part of the photo you want to highlight is visible within the shape. This is a useful moment to think about composition, especially if your image includes a person, product, or focal point that should stay centered or clearly visible. You can also resize the shape using the resize handles, which gives you more control over how large or small it appears on the page. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks the way you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so it's worth positioning the image carefully before finishing. When you're done, simply click outside of the image. That will apply the crop and confirm your changes, and that's it. You've successfully added a picture into a shape in Adobe Express. It's a quick feature, but it can instantly give your layouts a cleaner and more custom look.